Hi everyone, thanks for watching my YouTube content. I'm Sangwoo. In this video, I would like to share how to do Breusch-Pagan test, which is shortly BP test or RM test in Excel and R. BP test is used to test for heteroskedasticity in a linear regression model. There is one good reference site to understand testing for heteroskedasticity by BP test. So as you can see, we want to see the relationship between original independent variable and squared residuals. So if we accept null hypothesis, it means there's no heteroskedasticity, but if not, there is heteroskedasticity. Roger Koenker actually revised the original Breusch-Pagan test. So in our program, as you can see, if you specify studentized as true, then you can get studentized PP test result. Actually, this is from Koenker's studentized version of the test statistic. If you specify studentized as first, then you can get original Breusch-Pagan test result. Let me show you how to get this test statistic in Excel. Let's firstly calculate P0, P1, intercept and slope. So let me use this matrix computation formula. Merge transpose of design matrix and design matrix. Then let's get matrix inverse. Then let's multiply by transpose of design matrix, and then merge comma and y vector, and press Ctrl Shift Enter. Right. Then we can calculate the residual y minus b0 plus b1 times x1 and squared residual can be calculated by this formula. Right. Then secondly, let's get P0, P1 again. Instead of using original y, we need to use this squared residual. Okay, so merge transpose of design matrix and design matrix and M inverse and let's multiply by transpose of design matrix here and merge comma and squared residual vector and press Ctrl Shift Enter. Right. Then let's calculate residual head. B0 plus B1 times x1. Okay. Then total sum of square can be calculated by dvsq function with square residual. Okay, and regression sum of square can be calculated by using dvsq function with column G, reach their hat. Okay. Then R square, regression sum of square over total sum of square. Okay. And studentized PP test statistic can be calculated by R squared multiplied by number of observation, and this is same as this one, and p-value can be calculated by 1 minus chi-square distribution with studentized PP test statistic, comma, degrees of freedom as 1 because there are two parameter coefficients, so 2 minus 1 equals 1, and true. Alright, this is studentized Breusch-Pagan test statistic. So again, under 5% significance level, we can reject null hypothesis. So it means that there is heteroskedasticity in residual. Right. There is one reference site to calculate original Breusch-Pagan test statistic. So let's use this formula. Firstly, let's get variance of squared residue. And variance of residue. Right. Then lambda can be calculated by variance of squared residue over 2 times variance of residue, squared variance of residue. Okay. Then original PP test statistic can be calculated by sorry, there's something wrong. Let me see. There should be square here. Okay. Right. Then original PP test statistic can be calculated by studentized PP test statistic multiplied by lambda value here. So this is same as this one, and p-value 1 minus chi-square distribution original PP test statistic, comma 1, comma true. Right, this is same as this one. So again, once you activate RM test library, you can use PP test result. This is a regression model formula, and if you specify studentized as true, you can get studentized PP test statistic. Then under 5% significance level, this p-value is smaller than 5%, so we can reject null hypothesis. So it means that there is a heteroskedasticity. Alright, so that's it for today. I hope it was useful to understand Breusch-Pagan test in Excel and R. Please click like and subscribe if it was useful for you. Thank you.